Alright, what are we going to make?
Blood cells.
Components of blood and blood cells. Alright, take the top off of this bottle. Alright, where's here? I want you to scoop a couple of beans in that cup. No, use the white cup. Look, right here. Use that. Put a couple in there. Can you put them in this bottle?
Put them in the bottle.
Put them in here. Scoop a little bit. Okay, you can add some more. It'll be easier. Let me show you. Let me put this down a second. Look, do this. Like this.
Can I do it?
Okay, let her do one more scoop.
Wow!
Those are those are our white blood cells. And these are our red blood cells. Watch what happens. Look at there. What's happening?
This is nasty. I want to do
It's so
it.
dark. I don't know. Hey, let him. Let him take turns.
Wow.
Okay, keep putting white and you keep putting red.
Mom, can I put a little bit red?
Yes. Look at there. You see how our
activities for making a mess.
Yes, it's okay. See how our blood forms?
Let me do some.
Take turns. Take turns, okay? Everyone can do it. And then we'll hold on. We need to put the cap back on it for just a minute.
And then shake it.
And shake it a little bit. Put the cap on it really tight.
I want to shake it more.
Tight, tight, tight. A little more.
Mom, can I do this?
Okay, shake it up. Upside down a little bit. Now, watch. Look, Layla. Look what's happening. This is what happens as our blood runs through our veins, okay? Look, Layla.
We can't drink that.
You could, but you don't want to. It's water. You want to drink red water?
It tastes like blood.
So look inside. See how we have, there's red and white mixed together? That forms our blood. See the red and the white? Okay, you can keep pouring. This is what we learned in our study today, right?
Yeah.
When we read our books.
Mom, can we squeeze a little grape juice in it?
No. Why do we want to squeeze grape juice in it? You want to experiment? Okay, go ahead. Just one. Don't put the grape inside. To see if it does anything. Did it do anything?
Yeah.
What did it do? It gave the blood some energy.
Yeah.
You want to try? Add some more red blood cells. You want to squeeze the grape? Well, watch you stick the grape right in there. Thanks a lot. Well, okay, no more. Is that our plasma?
Yeah.
That's enough. You guys are supposed to be eating the grapes. Put the top back on it.
I'll put it.
Put the top on it.
Is that what to do another?
Top on it. No more grapes. Eat. Eat your grapes. Good job. Let me see. Let me.
Shake it.
Really tight. Really tight. Twist it really tight.
Twist it. Shake it upside down.
Upside down.
Oh.
Wow, that's really dark.
We cannot eat these.
No, they're not cooked.
Mom,
Those are for activities.
We don't want to.
So we have
that
some grapes. You know what the grapes actually look like? Blood clots. Sometimes we have really, really large chunks of blood. Let me see. That are not broken up. And they're called blood clots.
Blood clots?
Yes, blood clots. So that's very interesting that you guys did
Look
that.
at this.
Let me see.
Mom, I can't spin the wheel.
So Aaliyah, remember when we were looking in our science books today?
Yeah.
And we were talking about veins in our blood, how our blood goes through our veins, and what color it is. This is what it looks like, right?
Yeah.
On the picture, it had the blood cells.
Mom, can I come over there?
Yes, you can.
I will come over there. Because it's wet over here. Yeah. Nasty.
Put it on the table. Let's take one picture. Turn it.
Can I take a picture? I want to hold the phone.
Just a minute. Here, you can hold it.
I want to hold that. I want to hold the phone.
You can wait. You could wait a second. Thank you. Wait a second. Stand right here.
I made more blood cells. I made more blood cells, Mom.
Good. That was a great picture. Great picture. Looks so different on here. You want to wait. So what do we say?
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.